there are great opportunities for improvement for organizations that have data on paper or in spreadsheets or in separate systems. If companies can't get to that data, there's a huge opportunity lost for them. And when data is placed in these different systems, not only is it difficult to get to, but because it's so hard to get to, organizations just kind of say, well, we'll just use that for historical data collection purposes. And they don't use it strategically to improve their operations. And so I think there's your opportunity lost, is that organizations, if they don't have access to that data, then they can't use that data to improve things. And if they're not improving things, then the data is almost lost. But whenever I see those systems, I see great opportunities for improvement, because we could gather that data from those different systems, put it in one place, so we have the insights that allow us to strategically improve operations.